So today, we are gonna be solving a scube. This one, it's actually pretty easy. I currently only know one way. There are multiple ways. So if you do want to learn a different way, I will eventually do the advanced method of solving this. But remember, there is only one algorithm you have to learn for this cube. It's not a hard one. It just takes a little bit to learn. Like, it took a little bit for me to learn. But if I real quickly mix it up, and that would be a good mix up. So our first step is to get the white side solved. So if I take this and I put this up, and so this thing would be on the side. So if I take it down to this corner, then take this corner up, and then take this back up, and then I could just do the exact same thing, and that should end up on the corner. And then, now, I'm gonna need an orange color, which will be right here, to go up, which it's not right there. So then, if I just repeat that process, then I have these two orange. And then, so on this side, I will need a blue color, which I already have that. If I just twist that up, my blue side is, those two blue pegs are now there. And then I have my last one on this corner, which I'm just gonna twist it down, twist this one down, twist that back up, twist this one back up, then do the exact same thing. And these aren't really algorithms you have to memorize. These are just random steps. You could do a completely different thing just to do that one step right there. It's not an algorithm, you can just do that. And then our next step is where we are gonna use this algorithm to flip this orange one with this blue one. So if you have like, what color you have on top. If you have a yellow, do it with any side. But if you have a blue, do it with the side with the blue pegs at the bottom, where you go down, this corner down, this corner down, this corner up, this corner up. And it is easier if you look at the bottom while you're doing it, because at the bottom, you can see the corners move, and only let the corners move, nothing else. So if the middle moves, go back, because if the middle moves, then you've done it wrong. But right now, I have a yellow on the top. So whatever side is not solved, I'll just go do that with. So I'll do it with blue. And after that, I have a red on the top. So I'll just do the exact same thing. These cubes are a bit hard to turn. And yeah, so I'll keep doing this. And then, after I have finished this step, which it usually doesn't take that long. This one might finish it, I don't know. Okay, yeah. So after that step, after you do that whole bunch, then you will have this, and with the yellow on the top. So the next step is actually, so I got the easier one, so I call these headlights because they're yellow, and yeah. So you'll have these two headlights. If you get this solved where you only have the yellow on the top, and these two on one side and these two opposite of each other. So you'll put these ones that are on the same side facing this way, so they'll go that way. And then you'll do the same algorithm that I've showed you many times, and you'll do that twice. And after doing that twice, it will solve it. But there is another step I do want to show you, if I can get it, that is. So you guys do not have to mix yours up if you didn't get the step. I'm just quickly solving it back to that step I was just at, because I skipped something that I want you guys to know. So yeah, you don't have to follow me what I'm doing right now. If you did finish it and you want to know that last step, you can just go farther into the video. I might put a timestamp up on the screen. I don't know. Okay, so I got B1. So this one will require you to have a yellow on the top and then 2 at the edges, on the corners. And so what you'll do is you'll turn it so that there's gonna be one facing you and the other facing right. And so you'll just do that one algorithm I've showed you twice. And after you do it twice, you'll then just get the one on the top, and then you'll repeat what I've showed you, where you have these 2 headlights pointing this way, left, and these 2 pointing towards you and back. And you'll do that algorithm again twice. And then after all those algorithms are done, it should be finished. And that's all. Bye.